I need backup immediately.
What's the matter?
Small rocks constantly fall onto the road running along the cliff.
So we can't get through.
All right, we have a mission. Wow. Let's secure that road.
Oh, hello there.
We need materials to build it.
1 hour later.
Let's go already!
Area closed. Stay back.
Oh no!
Rock incoming. Move, move, move.
Oh, hell!
Keep the road clear.
Stop it!
Here we go.
Much later.
Here we go, yo!
Okay.
We have to build a rock barrier above.
Perfect block! Nice job, team!
Good job!
Yeah, boy.
Preventing danger is always better than fixing the damage later.
Woo! Doggy! Let's rope 'em and ride! There's not enough sand. What should we do now?
Instead of pacing back and forth, you should go find some sand.
That's right! Okay, you watch the construction site. I'm going now.
Huh?
Where can I find sand now? Over there? Is that the sand lake? Hey, sand, I'm coming.
Hey, what happened?
Help me! I'm trapped in the lake.
Let me help you.
This is a ball pit. You can't do that.
What should I do now?
Call for emergency immediately.
Emergency! Emergency!
Much later.
Let's go!
Assemble quickly! Ready! Transform!
Hey!
Help me!
Okay already!
10 years later.
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay, here we go.
Yay! Thank you guys very much.
It's okay, this is our job.
What happened?
The construction site needs sand. You guys help me find, please.
I thought it was something serious, but it's too simple.
Thank goodness there's sand. There's sand. Thank you, guys.
Nothing, just build a really good structure. What are you standing there for? Let's party!
Yo, 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 yo! Yo, 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 yo!
Come on, come on!
Go! 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 Why am I still here?
Oh my God! Whoa, dizzy!
Meanwhile.
Okay, I got it. Traffic's stuck at the roundabout.
Let's go! All right, let's transform and start the mission. Transform!
Huh?
No signs, no rules. Hey!
Everyone, slow down!
Yo, 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 yo!
Roundabout needs guidance.
Oh my gosh!
You suck! Too many wrong turns.
We need to fix this section.
Much later.
Okay already!
Put it right here.
Okay, here goes.
Hey!
Okay, here we go.
All right, so no more driving in circles.
Oh, and also, what was that?
Go! Go, go, go!
Exit here.
Bye, have a great time.
Much better.
Rules make roads work.
Yeah.
Always learn the traffic rules.
What's wrong? Oh my God!
Why don't you move and let us pass?
But the road is blocked. Why am I suffering so much?
Much later.
The alarm is on. Time to go on duty.
Yes, sir.
It's transform time. Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Stop! Stop!
Okay, here goes.
Oh yeah.
1 hour later.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Why could you guys?
Because we are a team. Each person has a job, always side by side.
Therefore, we are an effective team.
Then we should learn from you guys too.
That's right.
Bing bang.
Yeah.
Yo, 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 yo!
Why did you suddenly stop in the middle of the bridge?
I'm tired.
But you're blocking everyone's way.
What can I do now? I just need to rest.
But
That's annoying.
And it smells awful too. Oh yeah.
Something's wrong. Let's go. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Transform.
Doggy, let's rope them and ride.
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, stop!
Everyone step back. If you don't move, we'll take drastic measures.
You suck!
We'll handle this.
1 hour later.
Okay, here goes.
I can do it! Abracadabra!
Easy! The new bridge is finished. Everyone please use this way.
But
We'll handle this.
Hey!
Now people can use both bridges.
Let's go!
Okay, here we go.
Don't let personal gain negatively impact others. Wait for me, bros.
Go, go, go!
Hey! We were here first!
no way, it's our turn.
This isn't working. Let's stop and think. What if we build 2 bridges?
2 bridges?
One way each.
Yeah, actually, that's a great idea.
All right, let's transform.
Transform!
Let's start here.
Okay already. Okay, here goes.
Go, go, go!
Bing bong.
Doggy, let's rope them and ride.
Much, much, much later.
Oh yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Okay already.
Yo, 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 yo!
Holding steady.
Bing bong.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hooray!
So smooth.
Separate lanes help everyone move safely and faster.
Hey!
Hello. 5 minutes later.
Get out of my way, I'm going to be late. Get out!
It's all broken.
I didn't mean to...
The thing to do now is not to cry. We have to deal with this mess. Transform!
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Come on! Come on!
10 years later.
Bing bong!
Much later.
Oh, yeah!
Cement is coming.
Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. All done.
Yo, 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 yo.
I'll flatten the road.
I'm sorry.
You know it's good.
But thanks to you, we can do this project.
Remember to walk on the right side of the road next time.
Yes, sir.
Finish work. Let's play together.
Bye, have a great time.
Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo.
Can you do something more useful than shoveling dirt?
Who do you say is useless?
What happened?
Help us! Help us!
If there is change, leave quickly. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Let's go!
Hey!
Help us!
Hey!
Guys, save us from that monster!
This is no time to be afraid. Guys, follow me.
Go, 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 go.
Come on! Come on!
1 hour later.
We completed the mission. Now it's your turn.
Okay, here goes.
Stop! Or I'll shoot!
Hey! You suck!
Hey!
Okay, here goes.
Oh no!
Much later.
Why are you crying? Thanks, guys. You guys are great.
We win because we are united. You guys are good too.